Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of...
Kinilala ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang Philippine Army sa kanilang hindi matatawarang serbisyo sa pagtatanggol sa bansa, pagtugon sa mga sakuna at pagpapanatili ng seguridad, hindi lamang sa labanan kundi pati sa panahon ng kapayapaan. Sa kanyang talumpati sa ika-128 anibersaryo ng Philippine Army sa Taguig City, binigyang diin ng Pangulo ang kahalagahan ng kanilang paninindigan, katatagan at dedikasyon sa bayan.
Beyond the battlefield, our soldiers have once again shown that their service extends far beyond just defense. They have proven themselves to be ready, reliable, and resolute in the sworn oath to their duty to our people.
Sinabi rin ng Pangulo na patuloy na iniaakma ng hukbo ang kanilang kakayahan upang tugunan ang mas modernong banta kabilang ang cyber threats. Ayon sa kanya, mahalaga ang patuloy na pagsasanay upang mapanatili ang kahandaan ng Army sa iba't ibang operasyon. Kamakailan, mahigit 6,000 sundalo ang lumahok sa Combined Arms Training Exercise o ang KTEX Katihan upang mapabuti ang kanilang kakayahang tumugon sa mga banta sa seguridad.
The challenges demand greater adaptability, greater discipline, and further commitment to the nation's security and progress. And yet, through all this, the Philippine Army has never wavered.
Inisa-isa rin ni Pangulong Marcos ang ibinibigay na suporta ng pamahalaan.
We are also reinforcing our welfare programs for our troops because those who dedicate their lives to serve the country must be supported. These programs include the mandatory annual physical examination, reimbursement of hospital expenses, and the mobile support for wounded in action personnel. We have also streamlined the processes to ensure that these benefits reach our people faster. Additionally, I have issued Executive Order number 84 to increase the subsistence allowance of all the officers and personnel of the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Samantala, pinuri rin ng Pangulo si Army Chief Lieutenant General Roy Galido para sa kanyang pamumuno na patuloy na nagpapanatili ng mataas na antas ng tiwala at respeto ng mamamayan sa Philippine Army. Hinikayat niya ang mga sundalo na patuloy na paghusayin ang kanilang kasanayan, yakapin ang makabagong teknolohiya at ipagpatuloy ang tapat na paglilingkod sa bayan.
To all the soldiers with us today, thank you for your service. As your Commander-in-Chief, I enjoin you to stay relentless in your pursuit for excellence. Sharpen your skills, master your craft, embrace innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, the road ahead is not easy. There will be delays, frustrations, and challenges, as they always are. Our strength and resolve will continue to be tested. But I have no doubt the Philippine Army will stand the test, will stand firm, as it always has in the past 128 years.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Maricar Sargan ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.